All right, guys, so this is the startup lighting animation on my 2024 Audi S4. Very cool little startup animation. And you can see you will get the same animation in the rear. Demonstrate that quickly. Which is a very nice touch. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we are out here at night just to capture the amazing lighting on our 2024 Audi S4. And this car at night is incredible. Just the amount of ambient lighting, the headlights, the animations, everything comes together to make this car look amazing. So let's start with the headlights. As you guys can see, full headlights are on, and you've seen the lighting animation on the startup. It is a sequential pattern through there, which we'll just turn it on quickly so you can see it. This is your signal, for example. You have your dynamic headlights with that sequential pattern, which just looks incredible. But let's start off with the interior lighting on this car. So as you can see, before we step in, we have this wonderful ambient lighting on the door panel where the suede is. And then you also have more along the top of the door, as well as the Audi spotlight on the ground. So the spotlights on the ground are an option that you have to add on, as well as you can see we have the illuminated door sill with the S sport badge. And then as we come in and close the door, you can see the amazing ambient lighting in here. So in your cup holders, you have that nice, this is fully customizable too, I'll show you. You have these nice colors, and also down here, fully customizable as well. The only thing I wish you could customize is the footwell lighting, which is just white at the moment. But as we take a look around, you can see that I have everything set to purple because it looks so nice at night. You can see we have our cup holders. The door sills are along the doors, the front and the back. Hopefully the camera is doing this justice. Probably will not be, but it just looks incredible. And then we will get to the quick customization of how to change the colors. So in your S4 or S5, even S3 should be the same. You want to go to the vehicle icon, and you want to go to light and visibility, and you can see there interior lighting, and you can see you have all these colors that are from Audi, Contour, Vision, Solar, Impulse, Maritime, Caribbean, or you can do an individual color, which is what I have. So you can either set the surface or the lines, and you can set them both as the same or different. You have brightness, and then you have your colors. So look at all the colors you can choose from. Purples, blues, you have like a turquoise, you got greens. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. Greens, yellow, and you have oranges, then reds and whites. So let's go back to the default ones just to show you a different color. So let's say we hit Contour, which is just going to be white. It will change everything to that white color, and hopefully the camera picks that up. You go to Vision, which is a little bit yellow or orange, which looks nice as well. But pretty much this is how you change all the colors from here, and you can adjust the surfaces and then also the lines through individual. So I have mine set, so everything is purple. So that is pretty much a conclusion of the interior lighting on an Audi S4, S5. As you can see, I was showing you guys, you can adjust either the lines or the surfaces to whatever color you want. It's very customizable, which is very nice. And you can also change, the brightness, and like I said, the color, which is very nice compared to other cars that you can't change colors on. This makes a huge difference to some people. So it's very nice to have that option. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just a short little video on how to change your interior ambient lighting and kind of a walkthrough. And we will see you guys in the next video.